fall of 2016, we had an installation class that worked specifically at the Herman Kiefer Health Complex, but it's been abandoned for, I believe, the past 10 years. This is very evident in its decay, and that gave us an opportunity to subvert that, both personally as well as physically. The students approached their projects differently. Some approached the physical internal structure, reflecting on its seeming decay and transforming that decay into poetic gestures. Others approach it purely physically in its architectural history. This is a great opportunity we have here in Detroit. We have old factories or old buildings, old hospitals in this case, that are not being utilized. And this is a great advantage we have, is how we can use those spaces to reinvent